Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about email data, the data you can get from every single email you send out. One thing that I just want to highlight, and I think this gets totally overlooked for Squarespace, but that's for another video. Squarespace email campaigns is a really nice built-in feature because you can easily add in blog posts, add in products, add in events. You could add things in from your site with just a few clicks. It makes it really simple. I have to double check on events, but I'm pretty sure you could do that as well. For sure, blog posts and products get added into emails with just a few clicks. Now, once you create these emails and you send them out, the tracking system is actually quite phenomenal, and it's really superb because it's actually tracking everything to a product order. So I'm going to show you a few emails. We just started using the tool about 3 months ago, and this is the data that we're able to collect and see as we're using it. So when you're on your site, you're going to click on marketing, and then you're going to click on email campaigns. And then from there, you're going to click on sent. So now I'm looking at emails I've sent in the past. This is really awesome, really great. I love it. You can see, and it breaks it down really clearly, how many were sent, delivered, opened, and clicked. 49% open rate for us, phenomenal. 3% clicks, phenomenal. That's great. As we grow the audience, it's going to be even better. So as you can see here, it shows us what people are clicking on. So we'll see what gets the most action. So here it's a YouTube video. Here's one of our services. Here's one of our blog posts, and then more YouTube video stuff. Awesome. Now, let me take a look at another email. Same process here. I can take a look at it and get a feel for what's happening. 47% open, 4% clicked. Awesome. YouTube video, and then a blog post. What's great about this as well is you can take a look at the actual email. Let me show it to you so you can see it as well. So this is how we structure the email currently. We have this kind of overview section, and then we have these videos that we publish on YouTube. So we publish about 2 or 3 of those a week. So we add those every week. Blog post here, and then a product here. So we break down a lot of information in our emails for people to get access to. And sometimes we do free downloadables. So this is a great example of when we sent a free downloadable. We got 45 clicks on it, 7% clicked, 53% open rate, which was awesome. So now we could see that the title was optimized. We were getting better results on this. People were actually really interested in the tool that we were offering. A lot of really good stuff. What's cool as well is you could actually see who unsubscribed from what emails, which emails got open, and where it got delivered to. So if I clicked unsubscribe, it will show me the emails. And I don't know if I could do much with that, but it does give me an idea of how many unsubscribed from an email. This is very normal, so not a huge deal. Then let me take a look at this one. This one also had a free downloadable. You'll see here, even when free download at the top of the name of the email, we got a 6% click-through rate, 48% open. So compared to this one here, this one did better. People really liked it. It was a simple title. This one was a lot longer, so it required a little bit more reading. Maybe it got cut off on people's phones or their email devices, whatever that might be. What's even better is that you could actually get a sense of who's clicking on what. And so if somebody ended up purchasing something, let's go to this email here. No, let's go to this email here. Great. So if I go in here and I go to services, I can see the emails of who clicked on this specifically. And if any of these people ended up purchasing, which I can see on the list, there are people who did. And what's really cool is if you go to your analytics page and you go to traffic sources, as you can see here, we get traffic from our email campaigns, obviously. So we can see here how many clicks we got onto specific products from specific emails that led to sales. So this is a great way to get a sense of what's actually working and what's driving the business revenue. So if you're doing e-commerce or you're selling anything on your website, you can get a feel for what's actually working. This is great because, again, it's all one tool. It's all built in, and the pricing is pretty fair for email campaigns versus other email tools. I'm excited for the future of this because we're just starting out and we're getting better at delivering free resources to people and building our email list. So I can't wait to see what this is going to look like in the future. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.